To create our Santa, take your 3 260s, one white, one blush and one red, and they probably have a tail of perhaps about 5 inches, 6 inches maybe, and tie all those together. Okay, so that saves quite a bit of time. Give everything a squeeze. Bring your white and blush 260 together, and we're going to just twist off a bubble of perhaps about 3 fingers or so, and then with one of those balloons we're just going to wrap that through the centre of those 2 bubbles, creating 2 pinch twists. And then take your white balloon and make a bubble of 2 to 3 fingers, pinch twist that. Another bubble of 2 to 3 fingers, pinch twist that again, and another bubble of 2 to 3 fingers and pinch twist that. Okay, and at this point we want to put a little curve in our red balloon. And we want to make sure that our blush balloon goes in front of the red 260 and the white one goes behind. Okay, and then make, it's tricky doing it from this angle, make a bubble that is about 3 fingers or so, followed by a bubble of 1 to 1.5 fingers, and then another bubble to match this one. Okay, and then twist this into your white balloon at the back. Okay, so that's what you've got. Then we're going to bring the blush and the white together again, and we're just going to twist 2 bubbles of about 3 fingers, and then as before, just using the white or the blush, it doesn't matter, just wrap that through the centre, and that pinch twists those 2 bubbles. Okay, at this point you can break this off, but give yourself a longish tail. And you can take hold of that tail and just wrap it into that cluster on the other side. At this point we can pinch twist Santa's nose, so just grab hold of his nose and pull up and twist together. Okay, and to make the brim of Santa's hat, just bring the white balloon across and wrap the white balloon into this ear pinch twist here, and then we will make a little moustache. So you just want a small bubble in the white and wrap that into the nose. Okay, and then another bubble that wraps into this ear. Okay, and then with the rest of your balloon you can create a little beard for Santa. So just create a bubble and wrap into this cluster here. And trim off this and just bring the end across and wrap into that cluster there. Now you could leave it at that and have this as a Santa wand, or you could go a little bit further and twist a little bubble here and then create 3 small 3-finger loop twists. To give your Santa a little bit of a body.